Last year, we were stuck in the cruise fighting our engine after another fuel pump failure, which gave us the opportunity to see the town's birthday party. To quote myself from a year prior, it was truly serendipitous that our engine rebuild coincided with La Cruz days. 9 days of partying to celebrate La Cruz's patron saint. This year was a little different though. We were there willingly, and not as observers, but as participants in the parade, representing Lusty on land.
Are you guys excited?
There we go. Hell yeah, we're excited. Give me these.
It's always fun.
Hey, come on. Those balloons.
Hey, come on. Venga, venga, venga.
It's a parade, and I love a parade. Who doesn't love a parade?
What do you got back there?
You want a shot?
You got shots?
After the parade, the fun continued with dancing in the town square with Max, Karen, Garrett, and Ruth, until Max decided to kick the stage and completely obliterate his toe. He rounded us up and retreated back to the bar, where Chris managed to pull together his doctor senses and get the wound cleaned enough to be transported back to Casa de Lusty. From that night on, Max's zombie-looking toe took on a personality of its own that we lovingly refer to simply as the toe. It even made the cut in a full-page photo in Latitudes and Attitudes magazine, with the article I wrote about Lusty on land. Since then, the toe has thankfully recovered, but will always be immortalized in print. Happy birthday, La Cruz. Next on Sailing Avocet. Chris's mom is here. It should be a nice, slow, beautiful day in La Cruz.
This is fun. I love stuff like this.